You're gonna go to the right. You're gonna pull up. When the drives get over here in the spot, then you're gonna start going to your right, and then I'll walk you through it. Remember, you gotta watch your drives. When the drives get to your spot, go ahead and start setting up. All right, now start going to your right. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come back to the left. Just a little bit. Keep going. All right, go to your right a little bit. Go to your right. All right. All right, that's good right there. So right now, no, I need, yeah. Don't roll now. So right now we're gonna turn the wheels to the right because we want the back. We want the back to come into the spot. All right. So go ahead and turn the wheels to the right. All right. Go ahead. Yeah, just watch the back. All right, slowly start to get under. Yeah. Slowly start to get under. Yep. Yep. All right. Stop right here. At this point, you see it is starting to go away, so you want to bring it over a little bit. No. You want to bring it in. So turn the wheel to the right. That's right. All right. Yeah. All right, now. Yep. That's it, my man. Just keep an eye on that side. Just make sure you're good. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Just walk it right in. Just walk it right on in. Keep going. Keep going. You good. All right. You see, at this point, if you keep backing up, you're gonna hit that truck. So at this point, you want to pull away from it. Right. That's it, my man. That's it. Whoa. All right. Come back to the left. Okay, that's it. Go ahead and push it in. And then once you get the back where you want it, we're gonna shift the front over. Go ahead. You good, just push it back in there. No, back. All right. Kick it over, yep. No, yep. Keep going. You good. Now we got the back where we want it. Now let's shift the front over. Yep, keep going. I need you to keep moving though. You good? Yep, just a little bit. Just before the front starts to get straight over here, you start to get under. All right, get under. Yes. Yeah. That's it, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Until you can see that side. All right. Can you see that side? Are you still good over there? Huh? Okay. Well, let's pull up. We're gonna serpentine up to the right. Yeah, we're gonna go right and then back to the left. Stop. Don't roll it back now. I need you to not go hard right. Don't go too hard. Yeah. Keep going to the right. Yeah. All right, come back to the left. All right, stop right there. Can you see that down the back of that side? Back up until you can see that side. All right. Can you see that side? Are you able to see that side? Yeah. Now just back it on straight. Keep it straight. Easy now, hey. Yeah, man, don't need to be overturning the wheel now. All right, stop right here. Once you can see down both sides, keep it straight. Yeah, once you can see both sides, keep it straight. Go ahead. No, back up. You want to back up as much as you can. Utilize all that space. No, I need you to keep it straight. Look at the wheels. All right, get under it. Yeah. All right. Now we're going to shift it. So you're going to pull up to the right a little bit. I mean, to the left. You're going to pull up to the right. Then you're going to pull up back to the left. Yeah. But this is going to be a slide. The reason is you want to shift the back over to the driver's side. The first right is to straighten the trailer out. And the second left is to get under it. All right, so you're going to start going over to your left, but you're going to slide left. All right, that's it. Go ahead and pull forward. Easy. Go to your right. Keep going. Slightly go to your right. Go to your right. Keep going. All right. Yeah, now get under it. All right, stop. As soon as you can see down both sides, you want to stop. All right, now back it up straight. Once you, yeah. Hey, look at the wheels if you need to. I need you to keep them straight. Look, stick your head out and look. All right. Can you see down both sides? Huh? All right, so let's straighten the front out, kick the front over this way then. Kick the front over to the passenger side. No, back up, just kick the front over. Just a little bit, man, just a little bit. Go ahead. All right. And just keep it there. Don't worry about it, that's fine. Get under it, I need you to get under it, yeah. All right, get under it. You good. Go ahead and start get under it. All right, keep it straight. All right, you good? That's it. Yeah, come and look. You see? You're pretty good, man. That was pretty good for the first backing. It almost feels like it came naturally, man. I didn't have to say much.
The information that you gave me about how to control the back tire or how to control the back was the most important. When there's a problem with the back, turn towards the problem. That's all you got to do.
Yeah.
Then get under it. But try not to overdo it to get under it.
Yep. That's it, my man.